The Texas A&M Liberal Arts and Humanities Building will house the Performance Studies Department as well as faculty from the English Department. This will be the first building built specifically for the College of Liberal Arts at Texas A&M. Construction begins with site preparations. Once the site has been cleared, cast piles will be drilled and poured. Formwork for pile caps will be placed over the piles, and pile caps will be poured. Once the caps have cured, the formwork is removed. Formwork for grade beams can then be put in place. Once formwork in an area is complete, grade beams can then be poured. Formwork is stripped once the beams have cured. Floors for the first level are then poured. Once the floors have reached sufficient strength, column forms are erected to support the second level. Columns are poured, and the forms are stripped away once they cure. Shoring and pan forms are placed to prepare for the second floor. The second floor slab is poured in sections once the shoring and pans are in place. Once the second floor slab has cured, column forms are again put in place. The columns to support the third floor are poured, and shoring and pans are added after the column forms have been stripped. The third floor slab is poured in sections once the shoring and pans are in place. Column forms are placed on the third floor. Columns are poured, and the forms are stripped as the shoring, and pans from the first floor are stripped and moved to form the fourth floor. Once space is available on the first floor, key walls will be framed to accommodate HVAC equipment. These walls could not be installed with the HVAC equipment in place. The process for forming columns and floors is repeated until the entire structure is framed. Structural steel is installed on the northeast side of the building to support the main architectural stairways and landings. Slabs are poured when the installation is complete and the stair stringers are installed. The exterior walls of the building and key interior walls are framed from the bottom floor up. The large architectural columns on the northeast side of the building are also poured. As construction is completed, the landscaping is completed, and the building is handed over. The Arts and Humanities Building was awarded to COSC USA Builders with a GMP of just over $34 million. Construction began in December 2010 and is slated to be completed in August 2012. The building is just under 125,000 square feet. Clash detection was used to coordinate mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems.